Okay, so what's the energy of your person towards you? His energy towards you. He's been thinking about you lately a lot. Marami kasi siyang realizations about this connection. Ang dami niyang realizations na unti-unti nang nag-ground, unti-unti na niyang yun nga, realization. O diba, tingnan niyo, marami siyang realizations na unti-unti na niyang oh, I see. Dati hindi niya magets before. Hindi niya magets yung situation niyo. Tapos, unti-unti niyang na-realize. Ayan, yun yung term. What else? 3 of Cups. Oh. So, his energy towards you is he's happy with your energy. He's happy around you. Parang alam mo yun, pag naiisip ka niya, happy siya. Bakit? Because despite of all the challenges na you went through, and ikaw may challenges ka, nakikita niya na you are still the 6 of Wands, the person na nilulook up ng mga tao, person with legacy, a person with leadership quality, and he's very attracted to that quality of yours. Like, he never seen someone like you. You're very unique in his eyes. And what else? What are his plans towards you? Your person's plans towards you? Knight of Swords. Your person wants to contact you, to message you. There are things he wants to discuss. Kasi nga ito, may mga, diba, unti-unti na siya nakaka-realize. And ang ganda ng realization niya kasi mas grounded yung realizations niya. Hindi siya yung parang, nakalutang lang sa utak niya. Kundi, parang, he wants to make it clear, or he wants to fix what's broken, or ayusin kung itama yung mga pagkakamali, and he wants to message you, to contact you. There's something he wants to discuss. What could it be? What is it all about? The Magician. I'm sense.